Signs of lung cancer. A new lung cancer campaign has warned that persistent cough, which has lasted for 3 weeks or more, could be a symptom of the fatal disease. The Be Clear on Cancer campaign is aimed at reducing the number of deaths from lung cancer and especially targets people over the age of 50 because they are most vulnerable, the BBC reported. Other symptoms. A cough that has got worse or changes, repeated chest infections, coughing up blood, breathlessness, feeling more tired than usual for some time, losing weight for no obvious reason, an ache or pain in your chest or shoulder that has lasted some time. There is no sure way to prevent lung cancer, but you can reduce your risk if you. Here's how. Don't smoke. If you've never smoked, don't start. Talk to your children about not smoking so that they can understand how to avoid this major risk factor for lung cancer. Begin conversations about the dangers of smoking with your children early so that they know how to react to peer pressure. Stop smoking now. Quitting reduces your risk of lung cancer even if you've smoked for years. Talk to your doctor about strategies and stop smoking aids that can help you quit. Options include nicotine replacement products, medications, and support groups. Avoid second-hand smoke. If you live or work with a smoker, urge him or her to quit. At the very least, ask him or her to smoke outside. Avoid areas where people smoke, such as bars and restaurants, and seek out smoke-free options. Test your home for radon. Have the radon levels in your home checked, especially if you live in an area where radon is known to be a problem. High radon levels can be remedied to make your home safer. Avoid carcinogens at work. Take precautions to protect yourself from exposure to toxic chemicals at work. Follow your employer's precautions. For instance, if you are given a face mask for protection, always wear it. Ask your doctor what more you can do to protect yourself at work. Your risk of lung damage from workplace carcinogens increases if you smoke. Eat a diet full of fruits and vegetables. Choose a healthy diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Food sources of vitamins and nutrients are best. Avoid taking large doses of vitamins in pill form as they may be harmful. For instance, researchers hoping to reduce the risk of lung cancer in heavy smokers gave them beta-carotene supplements. Results showed the supplements actually increased the risk of cancer in smokers. Exercise most days of the week. If you don't exercise regularly, start out slowly. Try to exercise most days of the week. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.